Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to our channel B2B Vision to Victory. For more updates, you can follow our channel in Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. If you want links are available in the description. Go and check it out. The links guys and get our links. Now, we already completed two different videos related for simplifications. If you miss those videos, go and watch those videos, guys, which are going to help for your upcoming banking examination. So today we are discussing about number series question. You already know that the most important in any banking examination, you can expect minimum 3 marks and maximum 5 marks, either prelims or mains. Let's see, we'll solve few different questions along with the concept. Now see here the question number 1. We just identify that what is a number we can replace us in the question mark. 32, 1024, 2048 and 2048. Which number we are going to replace with a question mark? So that is our question. Try to identify that. Now see, here we understand that see 1024 and 1024, 1024, 2048 and 2048. So it is a exactly one multiple and it is exactly two multiple. Now we thought that there is a two chances. Either which is multiple with a 3, either which is multiple with a 4. I thought that see 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe they followed a natural numbers. Now 32 into 4, 32 into 4, the value becomes see 128. But here there is no such kind of options. Then I thought that every multiple number should be a double of the previous. Now see if I consider as a backtracking here, into 1, into 2. So definitely it is a double of 2 is equal to 4. It is a double of 4 is equal to 8. Now just check it out the possible options. See 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So here the answer 256. Identify the next one. So what can be the replaces with a question mark? So here the numbers 4, 5, 6, 14 and 100.5 guys. If you see a number in terms of decimal, definitely there is a chance of multiplications also in terms of decimal. Now identify that what can be the chances 4 become a 5, 5 become a 6. Now see the chances here 4 become a 5 means 4 which is multiple with a 1 time plus 1. If you add 1 it becomes 5. Now 5 become a 6. Guys, definitely it requires a decimal multiplication. I thought that. See, if it is a fail, you can assume another number. 5 into 1.5. See, if you multiply with the 5 into 1.5, now the resultant becomes 7.5. Again, if you subtracted 1.5, then only you can get 6. Now 6 become a 14. 6 become a 14. I thought that it is again into 2 plus 2. See, alternative addition and subtractions. 6 to the 14 plus 2 is equal 6 to the 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. And the next number definitely 14 is multiply with see 1, 1.5, 2.5. Check it out whether it is possible or not. Again, you're going to subtract it 2.5 units. Now see 14 to the 28 and 28 and 14 off is equal to 7. If you add those two numbers, it becomes 35. If 35 minus 2.5, the resultant become 32.5 units. Now you can see that option A. Now you can choose. A is the correct option. Right, next question. Just focus on calculation and identify this what kind of series it is. Now see again we can see the decimal number 10.5. So definitely if you see the entire series, there is a chances of multiplication in terms of decimal. The numbers 9, 5, 6, 10.5, 23. What can be the next number? Now, what is the chance? 9 become a 5 means we have a chances 9 is multiple with the 0.5. If you add 0.5, see 9 into 0.5 become 4.5. If you add 0.5, it become 5 units. The next number see 5 become a 6 means 5 is multiple with a 1. Again plus 1, it becomes 6 units. Now if 6 is multiple with a 1.5 units, 6 is multiple with a 1.5 units, it is exactly equal to 9. And 9, if you add 1.5, it becomes 10.5. See, you can identify the perfect series into 2 plus 2 is equal to 23. So here the final answer 23 is multiplied with the 12.5 plus 2.5 is our resultant. Now see, 23 into 2.5 means 23 twos are 46 and half of 23. Half of 23 exactly equal to 11.5 plus 2.5. Get the answer 46 plus, now here 11.5 and 2.5 is equal to 13 units. Now see, 0.5, 13 and 14 units, sorry. So if you add those two numbers, now the resultant becomes 60. Now you can choose your option is E. And E is the correct answer. Now let's see the next number. Next question. See, observe carefully what are the number series and identify the pattern. If you guys are improve those two skills, you can solve any questions in number series. Here the next number 8, 4, 4, 8, 32. You can see 8 is multiple with the 0.5 units, it become 4. And 4 is multiple with a 1 time, it become again 4. Yeah, that's why you can see 2 fours here. Again 4 is multiple with a 2 units, it become 8. 8 is multiple with a 4 times, it become 32. Every time we are doubling the numbers 0.5, 1, 2, 4, and the next number is 8. Now see 0.5, 1, 2, 4, and 8. Here, if you multiply 8 into 8, the resultant is equal to 64. Now see that, so there is a no such kind of options. 64. Sorry, we should multiply with the 32. Sorry, 32 into 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 25. So answer 256 units. You can see that option again E. See 17, 98, 26 dash 35 and 80. See, the numbers are increase and decreases. So if you see these kind of numbers, definitely they followed alternative series concept. See, alternative series concept. See, 17 and 26 is increasing by 9 units and 26 become a 35, it is increasing by 9 units. Now see, 98 become a 80. See, you just subtracted 9 units here. Now the value become 89. If we subtracted 89 minus 9, the resultant become 80. It satisfies whole condition. So it can be replaces with the original number is 89. 89 is the correct answer. So here the numbers 2 comma C. See here the difference of 2, 2, 7. Identify that number. 87 and 342. Now if you see all the numbers, you can see the difference. Here the difference is 0. Here the difference is 4. We don't know the difference. We have to identify that. Here the difference of number. See, if the difference of number means 87, if you add plus 13, guys. If you add plus 13, it become 100. So 100 extra number is 242 units. 242 plus 13 is equal to 255 units. So here the difference of 255 units. Now see, A you can see the 0 means the same number which is subtracted from the same number. Like see, so this is for 1 square minus of 1. This is the difference. Sorry, this is the 5. And this is the value of, see, the 5 you can take it as 2 square plus 1. 1 square minus 1, 2 square plus 1. Now, if you thought that it is a 3, 4, 5, so that is not at all possible for 255. Then I just double the number. 1, 2, double number is 4. 4 square minus of 1. And the next number is 8 square plus 1. And the next number is 16 square minus 1. Then we can understand that 16 square is equal to 256 minus of 1 is equal to 255. Now, we are going to add 7 plus 4 square minus of 1 is equal to 15 units. Now, the resultant becomes 22. 22 is the correct answer. Go through the next one. The 217, 89, 359, 1079. So what can be the next number? See, generally, we can say that it is completely a part of multiplication. See, the numbers are suddenly increases. Find your pattern in terms of multiplication. See, 2 become a 17. The possibility here, 2 is multiple with the 6 times plus 5, it become a 17. Why? Because 17 5, we already know that 17 5s are 85 plus 4 is equal to 18, and we got the logic here. And the 89, which is multiple with the 3 times and the next number, sorry, it's a 4 times. See, 6, 5, 4, and we should add 3 units. Now see, 9 into 4 is equal to 6 as a units plus 3. It's a 9 as units plus 359, we can confirm. So 359, which is multiple with the 3 times, again we are going to add plus 2, it becomes 1079. Yeah, the final answer is 1079, which is multiple with the plus 2. 9 twos are 18, 7 twos are 14, 15, 2 ones are 2. And we are adding C, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So final answer is 2150. Your answer. To the number 6, 8, 8, 22, and dash 151. Now see, here 6 become a 8. See, we should multiply the number 6 into 1. Why? Because 8 become a 8. There is an we can't get the exact resultant through addition or subtraction. That's why we'll take it as multiplication concept. So 6 1 is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So 8 into 2 is equal to 16 means no, there is a no such kind of pattern we are getting. See, 8 is a 16 minus of 8. Then better one, I should multiply with a 1.4. Now see, 8 into 1.4, the resultant is 12. If I subtracted 4, it become 8 units. Now 8 is multiple with a 2 times. 8 to the 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. And the next number definitely 22 is multiple with a 1.5 minus we have to subtract it 8 units. Now see, 22 ones are 22. 22 into 0.5 become 11. So the total value is 33 minus of 8 units. Now see, that's 2. Sorry, it's a 2.5 number. Then definitely it is a 44. 44 plus 11 is equal to 55 minus of 8 is equal to 47. You can see that there is option 47. Finally, if it's still verification required means into 3 plus 10. So the resultant become 100. Next again decimal multiplications here. Now again 7 become a 4.5. If 7 is multiple with the 0.5 plus 0.5, it becomes 4.5 units. Plus 72. 8 fours are 32, 39, 392 plus 1 is equal to 300. Your answer is 393. So find the next number. So here the number see 4. Just identify the next number. 14, 40, 88, 170. Now see, Here you can see the difference. See, the difference of 88 and 170 means plus 12. Here, if you add plus 12, it become 170 extra. So total extra is 82 units. So here the difference are exactly equal to 44 units. Here the difference is exactly equal to 26 units. If you observe carefully, then only you can understand that how much we are going to add for 4. Then only we can decide the resultant. Now see, here 82 we can conclude that this is 9 square plus 1. Here the value which is equal to 9 square 81 plus 1 is equal to 82. It's a 4. And this is the value of 7 square minus 1. This is the value of 5 square plus 1. C. Definitely the odd number we are going to subtract it. So this is the number we are going to add. Now see, if you add 4 plus 2 exactly equal to 6 units. Now your answer is 6. Next. 7, 7, 13, 37 and 97. Identify the series. Here the numbers 7, 7, 13, 37, 97. Next number C. You can see the difference is 0. You can see the difference is 6. Here you can see the difference of 20. And here you can see the difference of, sorry, 37 means 24. The next number, it's a 2 units. Sorry, it's a 0 units. And 9 minus 3 is equal to 60, guys. So we can say that this is for 1 cube minus of 1. This is 2 cube minus of 2. 3 cube minus of 3. This is for 4 cube minus of 4. The next number, 97 plus 5 cube minus of 5. See, so 97 plus 120 is our resultant. So answer is 270. 270 is the correct answer. Next, time for the next question. The next numbers 5, 6, 8, 30 and 136. So see, 30 become a 136. We can conclude that there is a multiplication series here. See, 5 become a 6 means 5 is multiplied with 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. The 6 become a 8 means there is a chances into 2 minus 2 is equal to 8. Now 8 3 is a 24. Next one. 8 3 is a 24. 6 2 is a 12 minus of 2. The minus of 4. Now 8 3 is a 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. And 30 into 4 120 plus 16 is equal to 136. I think it's wrong, guys. So this is not 8, this is 10. Then only we can get the perfect series. This is not 10. So not 8, it's a 10. Let's see. 5 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 into 2 minus of 2 is equal to 10. 10 into 3. 10 into 3 is equal to 30. The wrong question, sorry. Change the question, wait. Wrong numbers. Here the numbers are 5, 6, 10, 33, 128 dash. But those are the numbers. Sorry, this is the wrong numbers. So here the reason 5 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 into 2 minus of 2 is equal to 10. 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 33. 33 into 4 minus of 4 is equal to 128. And final answer 128 into 5 plus 5. See, 128 into 5 means 8 4s are 40. 5 2s are 10, 14. 640 plus 5 is equal to with the given numbers are. What is the next number? 120, 58, 138, and 286. Yes, we can see that. See, there is only one chance. 1 into 2 plus 18 is equal to 20. The next number, 20 into 2 plus 18 is equal to 58. So it's a common multiplication and addition number. And 58 is multiple with a 2 plus 18, it becomes 138. 138 into 2 plus 18 is equal to 286. The final answer. 286 is multiple with a 2. It's 3. 8 to the 16, 17. 2 to the 4, 5. So 573 plus 18. 1 here, 9 here. The multiply 6 here. 286. Yes, 10. The next number, 12. 8 to the 16. So the total value, if you add the resultant, it becomes 600. Go through the next question. 2, 5, 17, 50, 122. See, each and every number needed to the perfect square. 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1, plus 1. And this is 7 square plus 1. This is for 11 square plus 1. See, 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, and next number definitely is 16 square plus 1. So what is our answer? So 256 plus 1 is equal to 257. 3, 5, 15, 45, 113. See here 3, 5, 15, 45, 113 dash. See here the difference of 2 units, difference of 10 units, difference of 30 units. Here the difference of 68 units. Now we can understand that this is 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 2, 3 cube plus 3. The next number is 4 cube plus 4, and we are going to add 5 cube plus 5. See, the 5 cube plus 5, the resultant is equal to 130 units. We are going to add for 130. 130, 113. So the resultant is 243. Next, number 16. So here the numbers 2, 9, 39, 161, 2000. Definitely it is in terms of multiplications. See, if 2 is multiple with a 4 times plus 1 become a 9. And 9 into 4, 36. And 4 is 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. 39 into 4 is equal to 120, 36, 156. Plus 5 is equal to 161. So next number 161 into 4. 4 is 24. 2 here, 4 1 is 4, 644. And we are going to add 1, 3, 5, 7. Next number is an odd number. Now the resultant is 650. Your option. Next, see the resultant 3.25 becomes 6.5. Multiply with the 2, resultant is 6.5. 6.5, which is multiple with it 3 times. Now it become 19.5. 19.5 is multiple with a 4 times. Then it becomes 78, 2, 3, 4. And a 78, which is multiple with a 5 times. It becomes 390. So final answer, 390 is multiple with a 6 times. 9 6 are 54. 6 3s are 18 plus 5 is equal to 1340. Last question. What is the next number? 20, 34, 76, 142. See, 20 is multiple with the 2 times. Minus of 6 is equal to 34. 34 into 2 is equal to 78. Sorry, 58 plus 8 is equal to 76. 76 is multiple with the 2 times. Again, we have to subtract it. 152 minus of 10, it become 142. So definitely, here the numbers 5 is multiple with a 2. Again 10, 8, 6. We are going to add 4 and minus of 2. 5 to the 10 minus of 2 is equal to 8. 8 to the 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So you can get the perfect series. So here the replacing number of a question mark is exactly 8. These are the 18 different questions related for today's number series question. Just go through once. I will update these PDF in Telegram, guys. If you want our PDF, means if you want the PDF, you can search V2V at the rate DK in Telegram. You can get our channel link. You can get the whole content, guys. So we're done with the today's video. We are solving 18 different questions. Means I just observe the approaches for each and every number series. Approaches are most important. If you improve those approaches, definitely which is going to help to crack any questions in number series. So done with the today. So just go through once. If you have any doubt, feel free to reach us. So this is for you. You just solve this question and post your answer in the comment section, YouTube comment. Just go through the 68, 117, 61, 124, 54. What is the next number we are going to replace with a question mark? Just go through once. And if you get that answer, please post me in the comment section. So until the next session, take care. Have a nice day. Good night, guys.